What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Seek Thrill Outdoors. And like we've said in the past, big things are coming. As you can see, we're in the truck right now, and we've been on the road for about 3 hours, a little over 3 hours. We're heading south, but it's not gonna be much warmer. We're heading down to Kentucky, and we'll show you guys why when we get there. So stay tuned, and hopefully you guys can actually enjoy this little bit of actual vlog instead of a fishing tournament or running the trap line or sitting in a deer stand. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you do end up enjoying the video, give it a like. It helps us out. You guys are the sole base of this channel, and anything that you guys help us out with, it goes into the logarithm. It basically helps us promote our videos out there and get more people watching. So if it's something you guys do enjoy, make sure to let us know that down below, and we'll see you guys when we make it to Kentucky. After about 5.5 hours, we're finally in Indiana, because Illinois sucks to drive through. So we're finally in state number 2 after 5.5 hours. We'll see you guys in Kentucky. there's no sign. But we are in Kentucky. Alright guys, we're on to day number 2. We just woke up at the hotel, got everything packed up, put back in the truck, and climbed back in the truck. So now we got about a half-hour drive over to our destination. And hopefully we'll see you guys there. If all checks out, hopefully we'll be coming home with something new. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and we'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, well, it's finally done. We made it down to Kentucky, like I said earlier. Got to our destination, and as you guys know, especially all the ones that have been following us since we started, we've been having nothing but boat issues. We knew that when we bought, or we knew we were going to have some issues when we bought that first boat. Just didn't know exactly what it was going to entail, and it seemed like it was a lot of things failing and failing and failing. So Alisha and myself have been really hunting for a new boat. Shouldn't say new to us, but so we actually came across a 2006 Triton, a 196 with a 2016 Mercury on it, and the guy that we were gonna purchase it from had somebody that was supposed to show up with money. So we were, you know, kind of bummed out and figured, you know, we'll keep looking. And a couple days ago he messaged us that the guy didn't show up. So we're like, all right, we need to jump on this and we need to do it quick. So it's kind of a fast process, but lo and behold, we do have the boat. There's some different things, you know, that need done. So we're gonna do those to the boat, and we're gonna bring you guys along for the ride. We didn't really do it on the last one because like we told you guys before, we did carpet in that, but there has been some carpet work done. As you can see there, some carpet needs done. We need to get some new seats in it, and there is one crack in the fiberglass that we don't think is going to be too big of an issue. We're actually going to get it redone, that way we don't have future problems and it doesn't get waterlogged. So yeah, that's why we traveled 7 hours to come down here and get this. So we're actually back on the road, back to home now. We're only in Kentucky for half hour. Indiana is where we are now, and then back to Illinois, because we got about 5 hours of driving in Illinois to do, because the state's so friggin' long. But anyways, make sure you guys stay tuned to see the updates coming to the boat, and we'll catch up with you guys then. Well guys, so that's the new boat. I was hoping to do a little bit more to it because there's some things that we need to clean up. The carpet, the guy that had it before, the gentleman we bought it from, was actually redone by him. It wasn't professionally done or anything like that. So kind of like our old boat when we redid the carpet, but he was very messy when he did it, and there's a lot of things like the cuts are bad, the carpet's fraying in spots, and it just kind of looks bad in spots. And plus, like the seal that goes around the outside, he just kind of jimmied that back together, had glue all the way up the side of the boat and everything. So at some point we'll probably redo all the carpet in this, especially because we want a darker carpet like the old boat too. We don't want this light stuff. The seats we're gonna eventually end up doing too, but it's not really a priority for us. We were kind of wish-washy between either getting them redone or getting new ones, and these seats are probably the most comfortable seat I've ever sat in a boat. So I think we're kind of leaning towards just probably redoing them. So that'll be kind of a project at some point, but like I said, we're not in too much of a hurry to do that. The carpet will probably come first, honestly, because just it doesn't look clean, and that's kind of what bugs us the most about it. But other than that, hopefully you guys actually enjoyed this. It was something a little bit different and out of our realm, but like we said when we first started the channel, we want to bring you guys along on pretty much not our life journey, but our hobby journeys. And this came up, and it was a perfect deal. It was the one we were almost the exact same perfect boat that we were looking for, and we made the deal happen. So now we're just gonna get out there and we got to start fishing some tournaments out of this thing. And hopefully, I wish in the instructions it said you buy a nice shiny boat and the fish just hop in your life hole, but I don't think it's gonna work that way this year for us. So make sure you guys stick around. Tournament videos are gonna start coming up, and we're gonna start ripping some lips and hopefully get on a few big ones this year. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We greatly appreciate it, and you guys are the sole foundation of this channel, and we appreciate all the support that you guys are bringing us right now with how small we are. So anyways, we're gonna wrap this one up and we're gonna start fishing.